Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you actually edit Alex Hormozi captions or single captions like this one. So for example,
If you want to capture the heart of 100 men,
like that. So if you want to get that captions, so this video is for you. So to be able to get this, we need to edit it using CapCut. So it is completely free guys. And I'll show you and guide you on how you can do this with ease. So to be able to do this, so let's first disable it, and I'll show you on how you can actually edit it from scratch. So make sure guys that you have an audio that has high quality voice, because this will depend on the voiceover or the voice that you are using to make a
are you
caption.
dealing with
So once that is done, go over to text here and then go over to auto captions and make sure you choose the source language accordingly. So mine is English, so you can also uh, go ahead and choose any language you want depending on the ones available on CapCut. And make sure also that you have updated CapCut on the latest version also. So you can also translate language if you are using Pro and there. So let's create it. So you just have to wait for this to finish. And then there, as you can see, and to be able to go over here on the text, so let's go over and head to animation first, and let's go over and disable the animations first. So as you can see from scratch, it will be on system. It will be like that. So to be able to edit that, go over to font here and make sure to choose the desired font. So I recommend Montserrat Extra Bold for this. Okay, so once that is done, let's go over and scroll down until you see shadow, and make sure the opacity is 100. So the blurriness is 33, or you can also adjust it accordingly. And the distance is around 2 to 10, and the angle is around negative 45 degrees. So let's scroll down like that, and there. So to be able to use the single captions wherein you see the captions one by one, so make sure go over to animation here and go over to captions right here, and be sure to select the bounce out.
now?
So as you can see there,
Dealing with the problem of only 5 men liking you?
as you can see, it is very quality. And let's make it uppercase by choosing the case here and there. So you can adjust this accordingly depending on the font, on your liking, on the font size, and also the color. And you can also use templates here if you want to. So there guys, that is basically how easy you can go ahead and edit Alex Hormozi captions, or basically single captions. So there guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.